I can say nothing. It's my first time to be in YouTube, and I don't know what will I say, but I'm happy to meet you all people. Just say hi and hello. And what else I can do? I'm not prepared to say anything, but well, it's enough. And buddy. Yes. I will say nothing, but I'm ashamed. I'm fat. Taba. Walang magawa. Ganito lang ang buhay ko. Exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Ano sasabihin ko sa iyo? Wala naman ako nasabihin sa iyo kundi ito. Mahal kita, mahal ko siya, mahal ko kayong lahat. Saying goodbye to all of you. See you.